Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. What is wrong with this phone is that the phone is boot looping for no reason, and it's also not taking any charge using the lightning connector. If you use a wireless charger, kinda wants to charge and stays on, but if you remove the charger, sometimes it boot loops. So today we are going to learn about the panic locks that iPhones have and where to find them. Those panic locks gives you clues about what is wrong. So before doing anything to the phone, let's check the panic lock. We can use a computer, we can check the panic lock. There's a software that tells you about the common hardware problems or common parts that need to be replaced according to the panic lock error. So panic locks are supposed to be here in settings, privacy and security, all the way down here, and then analytics and improvements and analytics data. And here you have to look for the message that starts with panic full and maybe the latest error. So this one tells you that there's a sensor missing sensor mic2, and there's a bunch more missing sensors, TP1A, TP2C, TP4H, TP5 mic2, and there's a bunch more. So it's something related to power and mic2. So we are going to open the phone, maybe disconnect the assembly and see if the phone stops boot looping. And if we have the part, maybe we can try it with the part and see if the phone charges, because the phone won't charge past 1%. A software to analyze the panic logs, it's called iDevice Panic Log Analyzer. It is free on the internet, you guys can Google it. Phone was disassembled and we removed the proximity sensor, Face ID cable, which is right there. So it was removed, and now the phone is charging. So now it's 7%. So it's charging through the lightning cable and it's no longer rebooting. So Face ID, there's no way we can fix Face ID. We can replace the so that piece that is not working is Face ID, proximity sensor. I think it's a flat sensor, and there's another sensor in there. So customer doesn't care about fixing the phone. She cares about the data. So we're going to take the data out of the phone. Please like and subscribe. That way I can keep making more videos. Thank you. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.